Again, Solomon Kone disrupting the offense. Let's see what's gonna happen here. And there is a steal on the part of the ICC Blue Dragons. Blue Hawks with the ball, with the shot, grabe action! 79-80. Tingnan natin ang mangyayari dito. 3-point shot by Rios. And there you go! Ibang klase na to! Corner for the 3-point shot at ICC Blue Hawks. Gets the first crack at the basket. We got the ICC Blue Hawks converting with that floater. Noticeably, siguro si Coach Renzi Bahar talagang nire-reserve niya si Axel Taporco. We got the conversion of number 8. Solomon Kone with the ball. And it's an N1. Reminds me so much of Malik Diouf. Solomon Kone might just be the big factor para sa Diliman Blue Dragons. But ito yata yung spirito ng The Big Dance. This is what we want. Yung maingay, yung pressure all the way. And there you go, number 3. Axel Taporco, nagpapakilala. Kung di nyo pa po kilala si Axel Taporco, Mythical 5 member po siya ng ating recently concluded Pinoy Liga Collegiate Cup para sa Diliman College. Back to the ball game. We got 22-21 Blue Dragons up by 1. Pass away tayo. Number 34, same play. Play action tayo, ball pick. And there's a fast break on the part of the Blue Dragons. Closing out the quarter. Although in this case, meron talagang second chance opportunities on the part of the ICC Blue Hawks. Let's see how they convert. Number 3 with that shot. They needed that. Kailangan nila yung tres na yon. Kailangan nila. Because mahanap na yata sila ng 4-point play. Kids these days, hinahanap na rin nila yung malalayo. Back to the ball game. We got the ball pick action once again. Let's see what happens here. There's a bit of scuffle here. Mukhang kontrolado naman on the part of our referees. 0-2 on the part of the ICC Blue Hawks. But na-convert ng Blue Hawks. Tied ball game, pero sa kanila yung bola. Let's see what they're gonna do here. Ganda ng laban sa seesaw battle. A game of wits and a game of strategy. Sarap panoorin ng ganitong klase mga basketball games, mga kaliga. This is the spirit, the true spirit of college basketball. Yung makita mo yung mga bata, they're getting the strategy. Nakikita nila kung paano laruin the best way that they can. We got number 33 of the ICC Blue Hawks with a missed shot. But again, yung kanilang mga hustle activities, nakakakuha sila ng mga bola and second chance points. Nakakatuwa ito. Pansinin din natin yung mga bigs din na ICC Blue Hawks, parang modern big men na talaga mga to. Oh! What they're gonna do here. Another high post action, high pick action ang ginagawa nila. Meron talaga mga pulot bolang ganun, Meron. Okay, same play action ang ginagawa na ICC Blue Hawks. There's a post up. But turns out, medyo Taporco! All the way, yes! Axel Taporco, mga kaibigan, showing us talent, pound per pound, one of the best point guards around outside of the UAAP and the NCAA. Pinapakita niya sa atin yan. Giving, of course, yung lead dahil sa kanyang jump shot, pabalik sa Blue Dragons ng Diliman College. 3-point attempt on the part of the Blue Hawks. The Blue Dragons. Wow! That was a nice play on the part of the ICC Blue Hawks. Very heady play. In and out on the part of Christian Rios. Ball in the hands of number 8, Adrian Ramirez. Back and forth, back and forth. Espinosa with a gimme. Ball pick action up top. And we got number 12, Parista. Kaya nilang i-maintain ito. Number 8. Oh my God! Number 32. That's Mark Paul. Ball rebounded, Solomon Cone. Axel Taporco to Solomon Cone. Number 8, Adrian. Itong batang to reminds me so much of Luel Briones of old. Yung mantipong go hard lang. Ang bola balik sa Diliman College. Taporco missing the 3-point shot, but guess who? Sino nakakuha ng bola? Solomon Cone. And hindi natapos doon yung kanyang defensive stop. Siya rin yun nandun, but buti na lang nakuha na uli na ICC Blue Hawks yung bola. Tingnan natin what they're gonna do. Number 3. And there you go! ICC Blue Hawks, Alfred Flores. It's a 1-2 punch. Alfred Flores at saka number 8, Adrian Ramirez. Floater it is, sir! Grabe ka, Alfred Flores! Again, kung ano yung ginawa kanina ng Dilima na pumupunta kay Solomon Cone, ganun naman ang ginagawa ng ICC with Flores. Wow! Dito, they go full court press. I think ito yung nangyari kanina kasi nadidelay nila yung opensa ng Blue Hawks. But the Blue Hawks, my God, they're one of the best programs outside the UAAP in the NCAA. They are consistent contenders sa NCRAA. Let's see what's gonna happen here. Number 12, Barista with a 3-point shot. They need kanilang fast break play. They will be setting up, I think, for the final shot. Tingnan natin kung kanino pupunta yung bola. Number 2. And! My God! ICC Blue Hawks. Let's see what's gonna happen here. Number 12, Barista with the shot. And there you go, mga kaliga. Ginagawa ng Blue Dragons. It's a ball pick up top na ginagawa more often than not. Turns out na itong fourth quarter na to, feeling natin, bawat sabi natin ata na lumalayo na yung Blue Dragons, biglang papasok naman ang Blue Hawks. Paul, balik sa ICC Blue Hawks. Diyos ko, nahihirapan na ako malaman ano ba mangyayari dito. Very unpredictable this game. And grabe si Alfred Flores. At ako naman mawawala na ng boses. Grabe intensity. The Big Dance, mga kaliga. Wow. Of the Diliman College Blue Dragons with the ball. Grabe! Tingnan natin kung matatawid ni Adrian Ramirez. And ngayon, balik na sa pagiging defensive menace itong si Solomon Cone. Bangklase versus the San Sebastian Stags. Tingnan nyo rin itong laban na to. I think it's gonna go down the wire. It's 73-all. Elimination game. Solomon Cone with the ball. And it's an offensive foul. This is a clutch affair for both sides. Alfred Flores with the ball. Bigay ang bola kay number 1. Incursion, papunta sa loob. Again, Solomon Cone disrupting the offense. Up. Let's see what's gonna happen here. Meron talaga mga nakakatuwang mga insidente dito, no? Tingnan natin si Adrian Ramirez. Magpapakitang gilas dito sa mga funny moments habang lahat nagkakagulo. Ball still with Ramirez. And what a pass! Ang ganda nung mga pasa na yun. Grabe yun. Para nagkaroon ng misdirection play. Kinuha muna ni Ramirez ang lahat ng depensa bago niya pinasa ang bola. What a nice find for ICC Blue Hawks. 73-75. 2 minutes and 15 seconds to go. Grabe ang labanan dito. Solomon Cone inside. And bola na kay JB Vargas, yes. Ay, Ibarra, I mean. Ramirez losing the ball. Ramirez may hawak ng bola. He will be the one to bring the ball. Wow! Grabe Looks to go in. It's in. 77 all mga kaliga. Kapit lang. It's gonna be great. Axel Taporco naghawa-hawak ng bola. And there is a steal on the part of the ICC Blue Dragons. The Blue Hawks. Number 8, Adrian Ramirez. With that shot. Grabe. 79-77. ICC Blue Hawks. Intense mga kaliga. Big dance action. Let's see Axel Taporco with a shot. No good. Na kanino ang bola? Blue Dragons. Paul Solomon Cone. Tingnan natin ano mangyayari. 3-point shot by Rios. And there you go. Sabi ko na sa inyo mga kaliga, it's gonna be action pa. It's 3-point shot by Rios. By number 7, Christian Rios. 79-80. 1-point lead in favor of the Diliman College Blue Dragons. Tingnan natin ang mangyayari dito. Grabe! Grabe! Christian! And on the part of the ICC Blue Hawks. Blue Hawks with the ball. Blue Hawks and Blue Hawks! Blue Hawks! With the shot. Grabe action! Mga kaliga, ibang klase na to! Ibang klase. We got 10.3 seconds to go. 81 on the part of the ICC Blue Hawks and 80 on the part of the Diliman College Blue Dragons. Sino kaya mananay? Let's see who's gonna come out the victor in all of this. Bola na kay Rios. And it's a foul. Tingnan natin kung ano mangyayari. And it's a missed shot. It's a missed shot. Sa isang clutch situation. Let's see what's gonna happen. And it's a missed shot. But it's a rebound on the board. Oh! ICC with the win! ICC Blue Hawks advances to the Sweet 16 of the Big Dance! Grabe! This is what college basketball is all about.